Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to create multi-layer in any drawing or how to import that multi-layer DXF in multi-CNC software. So first I will tell you how to create multi-layer DXF. So first I will make one drawing. So here you can see there is one rectangle and one circle. So I will create two layers in this DXF. So for creating the layer, I will go layer manager dialog and here I will add layer. So layer name you can give according to yourself. I will give circle and one more layer, rectangle. Close. Now I will select this layer and I will take it into this layer, rectangle, and we can denote by any color also. And for circle, I will select circle layer and we can denote by any color, say yellow. Okay, so in this way we can create multi-layer DXF. So now what I will do, I will move this drawing so this is the necessary part of any multi-layer DXF. We have to move it on XY 0 position. So now you know how to create multi-layer drawing. So now we are moving back to our DXF. So here you can see the drawing and there are three layers. One is vertical lines and the second one horizontal lines and inner geometries. If you click here, you can see vertical lines showing by the green color, horizontal lines showing by the red color, and inner geometries showing by the yellow color. So what we will do, we will position the drawing. We will position here on XY00. So now what we will do, we will save the DXF. So now we will import this DXF in multi-CNC software. So now I'm opening multi-CNC. I will import this multi-layer DXF. So now here G-code generation parameter came. So here you have to remember few things. So this setting is for OTK machine, oscillation tangential light machine. So all the parameters are for the same. So wherever you are using a multi-layer DXF, you have to click on XY import file location. Program 0 location should be from XY of import file, and if there is normal DXF, so you have to click here. So now we are using multi-layer DXF, so we will click XY of import file. All these parameters will be same for OTK machine. So now before moving to the layer option, first see here, spindle delay should be 2 seconds, program end should be program 0, and feed should be maintain XYZ should be on, the 001 to 00 should be on. So now going back to the layer option. So one by one we will select the layers. First we will click here and then one by one we will select each layer. Now I will select this. Yes. Now after this I will select this. One more layer is there, so I will select another one. No. So here you can see our DXF is imported. I will tell you one thing. In DXF check, if you click on show sequence, it will show the sequence, how cutting will take, how cutting will proceed. So first it will cut this 1 2 3, it will follow the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that it will follow. Then it will cut the vertical lines, then horizontal lines 14, 15, 16 and 17. So why here if you click here you can see. So now I will show you the simulation. I will execute, so you can see the simulation. So I will show you in faster simulation. You can see first it will cut this and then it will go here, 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 then it will cut the vertical and then horizontal. You can see the image 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then it will cut 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17, like that it will cut. Now I will show you in slower simulation. After cutting the last geometry, it will go here and then it will move into the vertical lines. I will cut in here, then this vertical line, and this vertical line, and this, and now it's going horizontal lines. First this, and lastly this. Thank you.